Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I always like to get some of my treats, this is the a Nutella waffle that is in the middle. It's just filled Nutella, actually. But one of the things that I like the most from here is that what or how I like to eat this is I've always put it in my fridge. So if I leave it outside, it will start getting a little bit melty and all that. But having this waffle it and put it in the fridge, let it sit there for a good time. And after one of my meals where I like to get my sweet cravings, is where I get this guy here. And it's so good this because when you open it, you just get that whole sensation of the Nutella. It's like a chocolate splash. And overall, it just tastes really good almost and at the same time it has this hazelnut flavor. It's just really good. You can take it pretty much everywhere, and as I always have like situations with trying to keep my insulin levels to a good pace when it comes to me doing sports, having a guy like this just does the job. So this was John with Dowley TI. That was my point of view.